Hello, YouTubeolonians. I need your help in interpreting my cat's behavior. So I got that kitten over there. We rescued that kitten from, he was a stray that was dropped off at a gas station. Mason is 3 years old. That's Mason right there. He was a stray that was found in our yard. And he's been a very fantastic, awesome cat. But he's not been very nice to the little baby up until today. This is the first that they've been playing. In fact, it just started within the last hour. After being together for about 7-8 days, something like that. So what's the behavior telling you guys? So in the past couple days, Mason has quit growling and hissing for the most part. Maybe he does occasionally, like when the little baby is on his window spot and he wants him to move, or if he gets into his food bowl. But or when he sits on me. When the baby's sitting with me, Mason would growl last night. But more of a disapproving growl, not so much as a threatening growl. So now it seems like today Mason's willing to play with the kitten. Tail slightly puffed. Ooh, good ambush. So this guy is insistent on wanting to play, and Mason is being a lot more cordial. But as they engage, you see them kind of biting ankles of each other. So those of you that have cats or have worked in shelters or otherwise have cat experience, tell me what you think and tell me why. I want to get specifics to make a determination if these two should be trusted together or if I should keep them apart for a little longer. Right now, I'm going to default to thinking that I'll let them play with close supervision. I'm being quiet because when I talk, it kind of affects their behavior. I want them to play naturally. Okay, so I'm reading this two different ways, and I guess I've never had a kitten and a cat tumble like that, and I don't know if they're fighting or if they're actually playing. What do you guys think? People who have had cats grow up together, what do you think? Because when we got Mason, he and Coda got along just fine right from the very beginning. Coda would take very good care of him. The kitten's holding his own though. He's not backing down, and he's verbalizing that he doesn't like it. By the way, we're renovating our house. We don't have crummy steps. We're just in the midst of, right in the middle of renovating the house. We just created this workout room. Do you like it? They're going in the workout room to work it out. Ha. No, don't sniff that. So Mason's been hissing and growling at the baby for a week and wouldn't let him near him. Now it seems like Mason wants to play, and he's allowing. And sometimes his language is he's laying down and just being calm. But I think he's playing too rough with the kitten. Hey, make sure to watch the other videos of this kitten. We've been making a video vlog every day since the day we found him. Hey, thanks for watching Frosty Life.